Hello everyone, welcome to a quick comparison video between ClickFunnels versus High Level or Go High Level. Now we're going to be comparing this, which one is the best and why. Now obviously we're here on ClickFunnels blog, as you can see, and here we're going to go over what is the key differences between these two platforms. Now, as you can see, what's the key difference between ClickFunnels 2.0 and Go High Level? Now, here's the quick difference. ClickFunnels 2.0 is a funnel builder. It's designed to help you create profitable sales funnels. It works for pretty much any business, right? While Go High Level is a marketing platform. It's designed to help you grow your digital agency. So right off the bat, we can see that ClickFunnels is for all types of businesses, not just agencies, but Go High Level is strictly a marketing platform designed for growing your agency. Now, you can pretty much grow a coaching business with Go High Level as well, which is also great, but it's mainly focusing on growing agencies. As you can see, with ClickFunnels 2.0, you have a lot of different features. Obviously, we all know the features. We have services, softwares, memberships, info products, physical products. Those are all the things that we can sell with ClickFunnels, right? It has sophisticated funnel flows that we can copy from others, right? It has CRM funnels. As you can see, you can build a whole sales system, right? To do sales outreach. It has team collaboration, fastest load speed, which is great, right? And it also has email workflows, email broadcasts. I would say these are still need to be a little bit more sophisticated, I would say, but these are also pretty good. Now you can also build membership sites. Obviously, you can build, you have customer center, right? Which makes it easy for you to create a customer center where people can conveniently access your paid content, right? And stuff like that, right? So ClickFunnels 2.0 has a lot of different things right here. As you can see, course builder, blog builder, page builder, real-time analytics. When it comes to Go High Levels features, right? They also have page builder with websites, web pages, landing pages, sales funnels, right? Surveys and forms. So it has a lot of different things, right? You can also capture leads with your opt-in forms, landing pages. You can also do follow-up campaigns with SMS, MMS, phone connect, voicemail drops, which is pretty awesome, right? So on the one hand, right, ClickFunnels is focusing on marketing, on funnels, on everything all in one, right? While on the other hand, Go High Level is focusing more so on marketing. So more so on email marketing, cold outreach, online appointment scheduling, lead capturing, and stuff like that. So I would say, who is the winner here? I would say ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels has a lot more to offer when it comes to the whole package. It's more so for everyone, while Go High Level is more so just for the agency. But again, I cannot really say that ClickFunnels is better than Go High Level, because Go High Level is doing something for a different niche, right? They're working for agency owners, right? When it comes to ClickFunnels, they're working for coaches, agency owners, pretty much every single online entrepreneur, right? So I would say ClickFunnels is better choice here if you want to go broad, right? But if you want to go niche and if you're an agency owner, I would definitely consider Go High Level. Now, comment down below which one is better and why. I would definitely love to see what you all are thinking about. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.